In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll in Windows 10 Extended Security Updates and activate your ESU license. If you're still running Windows 10, you probably know that mainstream support is ending, which means no more regular security updates. That's where Extended Security Updates, or ESU, come in. ESU is a paid program from Microsoft that lets you keep receiving critical and important security fixes for a few more years, so your devices stay protected while you plan your upgrade path. Before we get started, make sure you're working on the device where you want to apply the ESU license, and that you're signed in with an account that has administrator rights. You'll also need a valid ESU license key that you've purchased through Microsoft or an authorized reseller. First, open your preferred web browser and search for how to enroll in Windows 10 Extended Security Updates and activate an ESU license. Look for the official Microsoft documentation in the search results. This is important because the official documentation will provide the latest prerequisites, download links, and any recent changes to the process. Microsoft sometimes updates the way ESU works, so following the official guide helps ensure everything goes smoothly. On the Microsoft page, review the prerequisites carefully. Typically, you need to make sure your Windows 10 system is fully updated up to the last cumulative update that was released before the end of support. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, and then Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates and install anything that's pending. When prompted, restart your device so those updates are applied properly. This step is crucial because ESU keys may not activate if required updates are missing. Next, return to the Microsoft ESU documentation. There, you'll find instructions and, in some cases, a small preparation update or enablement package that you may need to download and install. Follow those instructions exactly as they appear on the page, and reboot again if required. Once your device meets all prerequisites, you're ready to install and activate the ESU license. Open the Start menu. Type Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose to run as administrator. In the command window, you'll use the standard Windows licensing commands provided in the Microsoft documentation to install your ESU key. Carefully type or paste the command that installs the ESU product key, replacing the placeholder with your own key. After that, run the activation command shown in the documentation to activate the license online. When activation completes successfully, you're enrolled in Windows 10 Extended Security Updates. From this point on, as long as your ESU subscription is valid and you continue to install updates through Windows Update, your device will keep receiving critical security fixes beyond the normal end of support date.